In this video, I'm going to show you how you can replace your HDMI cable on your duplicator 8 in case it's defective and you need to replace it to a new one. And you might have these might be glued, so don't worry, just go ahead and remove them, which I already did, and remove the glued on my HDMI cable port. So just try to unplug this smoothly here on the motherboard, and I just try to turn my, and as you can see, here is the other one here. Just try to remove it, unplug it, and this is the new one. Slide it in, and one plugs in front on the motherboard, and the other one right on the HDMI controller board. As you can see here, when it's plugged here, and turn the machine back, I hope it's clear. And the other side gonna plug here.